Welcome to Winter Storm Riley, Cleveland Aftermath, Part 1. Yeah, we have... I came over here earlier, but I didn't have enough space on my tablet to record. But we have crystal trees here in Cleveland. We are the lucky street that didn't have a power outage. You should have saw this transmitter, whatever thing is. Power transmitters, power grid transmitters. Doesn't freeze, but look, we have crystal trees here in Cleveland. Crystal trees. I just want to admire this. How it's falling down too. It's like an avalanche of ice crystals. I'm going to show you how many have already fell down. Look, this is all ice crystals right here. There goes some. Oh, one just exploded. Holy crap. That's so cool too. I'm getting on top of the bridge. It's pretty windy over here, like 30 plus mile per hour wind gust right now. Pretty scary. But it's not too bad compared to yesterday. Winter Storm Riley left us with, I think, pretty much 2 inches of snow. Possibly 1 inch, 2 inches. I think 1 inch though, so yeah. I'm just gonna estimate 1 inch, but Riley left us with 1 inch, 50 mile per hour winds. And Riley began last night in Cleveland with about 400,000 people in Ohio and Michigan losing power. And we got the worst of the Riley so far. Well, no we didn't, since that nor'easter mixed with it. Sorry about New York right now, and everybody has to evacuate there. But I highly recommend, if you live in New York, don't be watching this video. Go evacuate now before you... It's too late. Coastal flooding's already started. That nor'easter is already impacted right now. I live in Cleveland, it's pretty windy here already. And think about it, we're pretty far from that nor'easter, guys. So that means this is dangerous. The gusts are a total of 34 miles per hour here. That's the last time I checked the Weather Channel, but yeah. So I recommend you evacuate. That's coming from a child, but still, I recommend you do it. I've never experienced a hurricane besides Sandy, but that was only when it was a little tropical storm. Or a Cat 1, which aren't too bad. And I was scared all night. I was lucky I was like... Holy crap. How... I almost cussed. What the hell was that? Wait, I'm allowed to say hell. But what the hell is that? This came off my roof. Sorry if you're sensitive to the word hell, but I don't know what that was about. Yeah, but the saddest event occurred today. Well, yesterday. My friend got knocked down. Yes, my friend Tree got knocked down. Let's go over to see him. Friend, are you okay? So we're going over to Friend the safest way we can. All these trees are crystal right now. Okay, I might have to get deep in some snow, but I don't have socks on either. That's the worst part. It's not too deep, so yeah. My friend fell over. My friend uprooted, completely uprooted. Here, let's go get a better view. That means we're going on the side of the street. And that'll end this video. So that means subscribe, like this video if you like weather and stuff. Subscribe to my channel if you like weather and stuff, because I like it a lot too. So yeah. And I'll be covering weather. There's an ice slab right on the side of the road. Look, uprooted. Well, anyway, that's going to be the end of this video because my hands are freezing and I want to go home. So, goodbye. Maybe I'll make a video about being inside of the house. What to do inside of the house during a winter storm like Riley when it affected Cleveland. So I'm going to end the video as soon as I open my door. Then I'll people will watch it, and I hope they like it too. Why am I talking? I do not want to touch the doorknob. It's worse touching colder stuff. But your hand is cold. Anyway, goodbye. Subscribe. Like the video. Subscribe if you like weather. Like the video if you like weather. Dislike if you want to kill yourself. Actually, no. Call the suicide prevention hotline. That'll end it for this video. See you guys in the next video. Wait, that's Jacksepticeye's outro. I don't have an outro, so goodbye.